Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a chocolate chip cookie. So here you can see that I'm using my orange pencil to draw the chocolate chip cookie. I'm using my yellow-orange pencil. This time I will be using my orange pencil again. Okay, now I'm using my brown pen. I'm drawing some chocolate chips. I'm using my orange pencil again. And I'm using my yellow pencil. Yellow is too light, so I'm using my orange pencil over it. Wow, now it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.